This customer brought his Audi A6 in for alternator to get replaced, along with a Serpentine belt. And this thing lasted over 200,000 miles, the original alternator. That's an accomplishment. Everybody says Audi Quattros are hard to work on, but this alternator only took me less than an hour. This is a first generation 3.2 liter direct injected engine. It has all kinds of oil leaks everywhere, but it's still running. At over 200,000 miles, that's an accomplishment. But take a look at all these idiot lights. All we have to do is just cover them up. The customer just put tape right over them. Until next time, like and subscribe to Naptown Tuner.